Welcome to today's video. Today we'll be mixing just two colors, which is this blue haze and midnight oracle. So from the last class we had, we learned that once we see a color, we should first try to determine the dominating colors before we decide on how to go about it. So from what I can see, the blue haze looks like a color that has a lot of blue in it, and the midnight oracle is like a color that has purple and gray in it. So to get purple, all we need is blue and red, and we had gray to it. So I'm using crimson red and ultramarine blue. I also have my brilliant white and the black that I would use for the gray. So one thing I'm trying to mix this from the primary colors so that you can see the basics of how to mix the color, not from the secondary color or a color that has been mixed directly in an oil color tube. So let's start with the midnight oracle by mixing purple first. So let's add white to this. Since I said it's a mixture of purple and gray, so white and black gives us gray, so I'm not mixing the gray there separately and adding to it. I'm just adding it into the mixture directly. So let's do a test if we're close. Wow, I think we got the exact color so fast. So this is our first color, the midnight oracle. If you are looking to learn how to mix any color, because one of the basics of painting, especially realism painting, is understanding how to mix colors. You can subscribe to this channel to learn more. I've been posting videos on how to mix several colors, regardless the colors that you find challenging. You can drop it in the comment section. I'll look up for it and do a video about it. And I'm not only going to be doing videos on how to mix colors. After these videos, I'll also do videos on how to apply colors and how to paint realism arts, because I'm a lover of realism arts. So if you also want to learn how to do that, kindly subscribe. And if you have any color you'd like me to try, drop it in the comment section. I will do just that. So we are trying to mix the blue haze, and we're using the ultramarine blue and white, but I think I could sense something in this mixture, which is the fact that we might need yellow in our mixture. Let's try it out. that's medium yellow. Okay, this is too light, so let's mix it up with all the ultramarine blue we had before. We're almost there. So we are trying to match our color to the value of the one we are looking at the reference, which is very much important when it comes to painting. The color value must match. So here we are gotten the right blue we're looking for, which is the blue haze. So thanks for joining my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.